Hey drummers, I'm Jim Linsner, and my friend Danusha Beats is behind the camera making all my mistakes disappear. And you know, one of my favorite things in drumming is when I discover some new idea that's relatively simple to play but sounds amazing. And what I've got for you today is just an alternate sticking variation to a halftime shuffle, but I think you're going to really like it. So what we're going to do is play a 2-measure halftime shuffle groove. And in the second measure, the first 2 beats are going to be alternate sticking. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? Right hand and hi-hat, left hand and snare. Right hand loud, left hand soft. In number 2, we're going to play an entire measure of alternate sticking. Once again, right hand and hi-hat, left hand and snare, right hand loud, left hand soft, except I want you to accent beat 3 with the left hand because that's the back beat. And I'm going to throw in a hi-hat opening at the end because it sounds cool, and it's a nice way to transition back into the shuffle groove. Now the fun starts. We're going to do the exact same thing we did in number 2, but we're going to accent every other hi-hat note. Okay, and the way we're going to do that is accented notes are going to be the shoulder of the stick hitting the edge of the hi-hat. Unaccented notes are going to be the tip of the stick hitting the top of the hi-hat. Okay, now let's try moving each of the accented notes to the toms. You can also move each of the accented notes to the bell of the ride cymbal. Once you're comfortable with this hand pattern, try experimenting with some different bass drum variations. One of my favorites is playing a bass drum right before the backbeat. Doom, da-ba, doom, da-ba. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to play number 3. That's the one with that every other note accented on the hi-hat. I'm going to add that new bass drum variation. And for those of you that like a challenge, I'm going to play number 5 again. That's the one going between the hi-hat and the bell of the ride cymbal. But this time, I'm going to play the unaccented left-hand notes on the hi-hat. I'm going to play each one as a double stroke. Check this out. Okay, so that's the halftime trick, and I'm Jim Linsner. And you know, I want to tell you, I really, really love to teach drum lessons. When I get the chance to show someone something or tell someone something and I see the light bulb go on over their head, I love that. That really makes my day. So no matter what kind of music you want to learn, no matter what skill level you're at, I can help you out. You know, so if you're interested, contact me through my website, drumlessonsbuffalo.com. And thanks a lot for watching.